Hello everybody! Today I am so excited. I am hosting my very first Mother's Day Tablescape. Okay, my co-host is the awesome, beautiful, talented Pam over at Diamond 76 Home Decor on a Budget. You must go over and watch all of her videos. Let me show you a little bit of what she does on her channel. Did you see that? She is so awesome, and I thank her for collaborating with me. These are the rules. Your tablescape has to be your favorite color. You can decorate it any way you would like. You must mention my channel, Monica Monet Collection, and Pam's channel, Diamond 76 Home Decor on a Budget, in the video. Or the beginning of the video. The start date is today, and the end date is on May the 8th. The video must be uploaded on May the 9th by 3 p.m. Okay, there will be a drawing for all the people who participated on May the 12th. Okay, now we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make this fun, because everything that's going on in this world, we have to do something to keep our mind off of what's going on, because we could sit here and get depressed, anxiety. We don't want that. We have to keep busy. We have to do something exciting. So I hope you guys participate. I hope you just have fun. I just hope you have fun. I look forward to seeing everybody's tablescape. And happy Mother's Day. If you want to, you can include a picture of you and your mother, or aunt, or godmother, or you and your kids. It doesn't matter if you want to include that. But anyway, let's have fun, and thank you for participating. Okay, if you are participating, please comment down below, I'm participating in the Mother's Day Tablescape. And thank you again.